It's a new year and it's time to get pissed off for greatness. Do you need a new perspective, push, or outlook for yourself and or your company? Want to get that forest fire raging for the new year? Sometimes we're only inches away from those breakthroughs with our new ideas, our goals, and our companies. But in order to see it, in order to grow and get to that next level, we have to get away and work on our business and not just in our business every day. It just takes that right spark, that one thought, that one chance encounter with a certain associate, mentor, vendor, speaker, or even an industry competitor, which can turn that spark into a raging forest fire, changing the course of you and your company forever. But you have to get a way to find those sparks, those new ideas, and that new level of energy. The full range of that forest fire is hard to see while running, working, and fighting in our daily fog of war. You simply need to change your environment and surround yourself with a new set of people, shakers and movers, entrepreneurs, and other high-level producers. People just like you and of the same mindset. People that will not settle for mediocrity, that want to grow their companies, change the industry, and conquer the world. Come surround yourself with other leading industry entrepreneurs, CEOs, top sales producers, million-dollar producers, and key managers from across the industry. Join us at the annual Win a Storm Conference and Trade Show Expo on March 31st through April 2nd at the New Orleans Convention Center. Don't let this window of opportunity go by because it's time to scale it.